Bonjour à tous. Today I am going to start grammar part of French language. So I am going to start with articles. There are 4 articles in French. So before starting with articles, it is very important to know about nouns in French, because in French all nouns, that is objects, have a fixed gender. Like in Hindi we have. So almost all nouns ending without e, like this word avion, avion, they are masculine, and all nouns, that is objects, ending with e will be feminine, like this word bag, bague, bag, that is ring. Avion, aeroplane, masculine, bag, ring, feminine. But there are some exceptions also. A noun ending with e can be masculine, and a noun ending without e can be feminine. Like you can see here also, this word, first word, fromage, fromage. It is ending with e, but it is exceptional word. It is masculine, which means cheese. And another word you can see, maison, maison, maison. It is not ending with e, but it is feminine, which means house. So there are some exceptional nouns. You will find the list also of these exceptional nouns in after this video. So you have to remember these exceptional words by heart. So now let's start with indefinite articles. Les articles ont défini. Les articles ont défini. That is indefinite articles. So as you can see here, they are used to refer to unspecific or non-specific things. Okay, and they are equal to an, or some in English we have. So let's start with this. First word is un. Pronunciation will be nasal sound, which means or n. It is used with masculine singular nouns. With masculine singular nouns. First word is un cadeau. That is a gift. Then second word is une, win. Meaning will be a or n. It is used with feminine singular nouns. You can see here, win horloge, which means a clock, that is wall clock. Then another word is des, they means some. It is used for masculine as well as feminine also, plural, for both masculine and feminine plural nouns we use des, they. So here you can see des avions, des images, Here you can see 2 words are there. First one is indefinite article des. It is ending with s, and another word is starting with a vowel. So whenever this combination will be there, you have to read both of them, okay, together. So s with vowel will be z, like z. So des avions, des images. Now here you can see this also note, indefinite articles are not used with a profession, a nationality, or a religion. So like in English we say he is a doctor, he is a doctor. In French we don't use this a. You can see here very well, il est médecin. We are not going to put any article before any profession or nationality or religion. After every video, every grammar topic, you will find exercises also. I will tell you how to solve, how to fill these given blanks with the convenient word. So like this, you can see here, un garçon entre dans la salle. Un garçon, that is a boy, enters the room. A boy, unspecific, we don't know que boy, but which boy. So un garçon entre dans la salle, a boy enters the room. Elle mange une pomme. She is eating an apple, but which apple we don't know. Then nous avons des idées intéressantes. Nous avons des idées intéressantes. We have some interesting ideas. So this is all about after this video you will find this document also. I'll post there, link I'll give you. After this I am going to tell you how to solve and how to find out answers of exercises. So if you can just I'm going to show you this, like after every topic you will find this type of document also, exercise also, and now I am going to tell you how to find out answers of any particular grammar topic. So let's see exercice. Question numéro 1. Complétez avec les articles of définis. Complete with indefinite articles. So I am going to translate also each and every sentence, so you will get the idea how to find out the answer. Numéro 1. Il y a blank moto et blank vélo dans mon garage. The translation of the sentence will be: there is blank motorcycle and blank cycle in my garage. Okay, so there is, now whenever you will fill these blanks with articles, so the translation will be: il y a motorcycle and a cycle in my garage. So here you have to put indefinite articles, indefinite articles, but you have to see this word is masculine or feminine. This is feminine moto, again exceptional word which is ending without e but it is feminine. So we will use win. Il y a win moto e vélo, simple, is masculine word. So il y a win un moto et un vélo dans mon garage. Then numéro 2, devant ma maison il y a dash grande boulangerie. In front of my house there is a big bakery. Again a big bakery. We have to find out bakery is masculine or feminine. So you can see here boulangerie, this is ending with e, it is feminine word. So win, devant ma maison il y a une grande boulangerie. Numéro 3, j'achète un bon dictionnaire pour mon fils. I am buying a good dictionary for my son. Again we have to find out. So again you can see here this word is ending with, this noun is dictionary is ending with e, but it is exceptional word. It is again masculine, so we will use un. J'achète un bon dictionnaire pour mon fils. I am buying a good dictionary for my son. Numéro 4, je dash bon livre et dash cahier. I have a good book and a notebook. Again first you have to find out what the gender of these nouns. Livre again is ending with e but it is exceptional word. So this is masculine and this is not ending with e and also not exceptional word. So this is masculine. So je un bon livre et un cahier. Je un bon livre et un cahier. Now numéro 5, c'est dash photo de ma voisine. This is a photo of my neighbor. So this is a photo of my neighbor. So photo word again this is exceptional word which is not ending with e but it is masculine, feminine. So c'est twin, une. C'est twin photo de ma voisine. Pay attention to my pronunciation also. C'est twin photo de ma voisine. Again with answers I am going to tell you pronunciation of each and every sentences. So pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. Question numéro 1. Complétez avec les articles indéfinis. Numéro 1. Il y a une moto et un vélo dans mon garage. Numéro 2. Devant ma maison, il y a une grande boulangerie. Numéro 3. J'achète un bon dictionnaire pour mon fils. Numéro 4. J'ai un bon livre et un cahier. Numéro 5. C'est une photo de ma voisine. You can see in this video or in this document another sentences are also there. in another sentences are also there. So around in each and every document you will find some 25 or maybe 50, many ample amount of practice I have, which I'm going to give you also. So if you like the video, please do like it and also comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And last but not the least, bonne journée, merci, au revoir.